Imagine you mailing a wedding invite to your cousin in New York, or sending your degree documents for a university application. Maybe even a handwritten letter to a friend in the US. Right now, none of that will get through because more than 25 countries, including Pakistan, have temporarily stopped mail deliveries to the United States. And the reason is a brand new US rule that just changed everything. On July 25th, the US government ended something called the de minimis exemption. Till now, anything worth under $800 could be sent duty-free. That's why sending small items was so easy. But from August 29, that's gone. With now every package, whether it's worth $20 or $2,000, will be taxed. The only exception will be genuine gifts under $100. Everything else that pays import duties, fees, or surcharges. This may sound like a local US rule, but it's causing chaos worldwide. Countries like China, Germany, France, India, Japan, Australia, the UK, even Pakistan Post have all suspended deliveries to the US. Airlines are refusing mail shipments, and postal services are saying we just don't have the systems to collect and prepay. US custom fees is on every small package. So instead of the mail bouncing back from America, many countries have just stopped sending it altogether. Now, let's break down the taxes for you. There is a basic import duty, usually between 2.5% and 6% for everyday items, but it can go higher depending on the product. On top of that, the US has added a baseline tariff, a flat 10% extra on goods from countries without a free trade deal. Some countries also face extra charges called reciprocal tariffs for places like China or Hong Kong. These can go up to 125%. Then there are special taxes on things like alcohol, cigarettes, or fuel. And finally, there are processing fees, flat charges on small parcels that make sending even cheap items more expensive. So if you are in the US waiting for your khala to send some clothes for the upcoming wedding, those packages might be delayed because postal systems say they need months to adjust their systems. Countries have already taken the issue to the Universal Postal Union, that's the UN agency for international mail. Talks are happening, but for now, the world's biggest market has basically closed its door to duty-free deliveries.